What's up, Swag Dog here, and today we is playing Super Bear Adventure. Bro, when I tell you, bro, that I just want to play this game every day, man, I really do. I just recorded part 3 a few hours ago. Yes, I'm recording part 3 and 4 on the same day, so that's my point. Anyway, today we're playing Super Bear Adventure, and today we're going to be finishing the giant house. Let's get into it. Yeah, we got our little gas mask here. We got a new thing. So yeah. Today we're going to go to the giant house. But first, let's take a moment to look at this. Look at this and just... Whoa! Alright. Remember, you can do that. Now, today we're going to be going to the giant house. Probably like finishing the game or some crap. What the frick is that? Okay. Brick, we're going with me, okay? Today we're gonna go on to the giant house, okay, Brick? Come on, Brick, let's go. Not waiting for you. Okay. Oh, hi, Bearing. Alright, bro, I don't give a frick. Alright. So remember in episode 2 how we kind of took a quick sneak peek? Well, now we're actually going to be going in the house and doing stuff. Let's get into it, bro. I'm excited, dude. No, I still think... Yo! Wow, being tiny feels really weird. This house seems gigantic. Hope you don't end up in weird places. Okay. The rats? Okay, so there's rats. Whoa. Bear baked beans? Bro. Yo, it's almost crazy. Okay, I love salad. Bear honeycombs. This game, bro. I can't. Like, this game is honestly, like, making me just happy. What in the world? It is hurting. Okay, I can. Oh, can we stay on top of it? As a yes. Okay, there's too much stuff to do. Let's just explore a bit. There's a video game we can play? You know, it honestly sounds fun. Super Bear Entertainment System. That's obviously the Super Nintendo Entertainment System, if you don't know, but alright. Let's not play, I guess. Let's go over there! You know, why not? Can I... Okay, I can't pizza. There's 8 to play. Oh my god, it's like a full-fledged game. This is insane, dude. Go. I'm not doing this. I'm like in the... Why is there sand bears on your couch? Holy crap. Hi, you are huge. Okay, I'm liking this level so far. Where are the rats? Should there be rats? No rats? No riches? Holy god. Those rats are gonna kill me. Okay, so we can drown in fish tank. I never knew that. Whoa. Hold up, let's not end in a weird place like Sheik said. Super Bear Adventure, the movie, the book. Bro. This is insane, dude. Okay. Allow cheese. What is in here? Ooh, it's still moving. Careful, it's hot. Okay. Oofy, yo, careful, it's hot. Yo, can we go upstairs? Okay, let's go upstairs. Wait, there's a cannon? Okay, well, let's use it. Pop. What? Use attack. Oh. Oh, that's sick. What's this? What's in here? Is where the rats live? Looks like we're a bit too small to go up there. I don't know how rats be getting up there or how rats even be fitting in here, but oh, this is cool. Ew, why are there bugs? If you have bugs, that's how you know something's wrong. Oh, hi. We both got souls at home. It's cozy and colorful here. Well, yeah, I mean, it's made out of Lego bricks. They're obviously colorful, so... Like, what the freak were you expecting? Huh? Alright. Well, I'm digging this place, guys. You made something cozy for yourselves. That's the most important part. Ew. I hate this. I hate this. Oh, I just killed a bug. Yo. This bed is flat as ever. Yo. This finally the belly stomp has an actual use. I'll say that much. What's in here? Okay, we're supposed to belly stomp it on here, right? Frick. Man, frick you. Another rat hole? Oh, we're in the... I guess it's the bathroom. Okay, this level's cool. This level's really cool, but it's actually kind of overwhelming. Why can you do this? Okay, now we're in the sewers. What in the world am I doing now? Whoa. Whoa. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. I hate this. Go, 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 go. I'm a Mario. Let's jump down the pipe. Do, do, do. No. Well. Oh, come on. Send me all the way back downstairs. Oh, let's open the fridge. Okay. The oven's really hot. Yeah, obviously, it's a freaking oven. Got any Mr. Beast Feastables up in here? No? Okay, that's stupid. You don't got Mr. Beast Feastables. You suck. But alright. What the frick? Oh. Well, gee, I don't know. How about the stove? Get in there. See, told you. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's not that easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We actually got to get up there. Oh, I tried to do it in the easiest way possible. All right, somehow nailed it. All right, hi, baby Bob. Joseph? He's a horrible baby name. Freak you. All right, hold up. What's this paper airplane for? No way. Wee-hoo. Oh, yo. This is sick. I'm literally flying a paper airplane. Oh my God, I love this game. Like, I'm literally flying a paper airplane. What more could I want? Whoa. Dude, that was crazy. Okay, so you can fly paper airplanes. That's how small we are. Good at demonstration to how small we are. That's saying something. Okay. Anything else to do with the rats? Let's try to get, like, I don't even know where to go. Like, this place is huge. Bigger than any of the other worlds we've been to. So we actually got to take some time to explore this. Yo, this may come out to like a full 30-minute video. And it takes place in this one level. Because this is huge. Alright, this is huge. Can't say it isn't huge. Because that's just kind of obvious. It obviously is huge. Wee-hoo. I got you. Felix. Felix the Fox. Let me guess. Bear Unlocker 3 or something. Bear Savior 3. 5,000 XP. How did I not level up from that? Okay, well. Oh, choo-choo train. Oh, choo-choo cars. But, oh, that's cool. What the freak is over here? Okay, so I see. It's like a Like a smaller house. Okay. It's a house inside a house. Sounds weird when you think about it, actually. Alright, we're definitely not going down those sewers again. Actually, it's not even trying to fall in the toilet. General. Okay, you know what? Rat hideout. Is there... I think I went a bit too far, don't you think? Well, I mean, at least I made it here, so... But... Whoa... Dog, what's this? Okay, so... We can just go to different areas, I see. Holy frick. What a way to jump scare me. Oh my god! Those guys are more scary than anything. Okay. Whoa. Hello. No. You think I'm actually doing that? Frick you. God, did I hear another mice? You scared the heck out of me. But like, why? It's just... Okay, so you can't jump on the couch. It makes sense. You know when you're a kid, like me, and you're not supposed to jump on the couch? That's exactly what it is. Alright, well, I don't know where to go. Hold up. There is a door. Where does this lead to? The bathroom? Or... Okay. Anybody but these guys. These guys are creepy. They give me the creeps, and I don't like them. God, I hate this. No, stop it. Oh my god, I hate this. Man, you have no reason to exist. God, I hate this. I mean, I was kind of expecting it, so like, all right, go. We kill one. Go. Don't stop. Run as fast as you can. Can't catch me on the binge red man. Oh my gosh. No. Stop it. I did all that for nothing. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Well, frick you, I'm out. I'm never doing that again, and I'm gonna try to go find another bear to rescue. I don't know where to rescue any more bears, though. That's kind of a problem, but also kind of isn't. Will you just say that a problem? Alright, well, let's see. What bears have we not saved? I'm looking for a bear to save. I don't know. Is there any more bears to save that we haven't like already saved? God, it's actually a bit hard to find bears to save in this level. And you know what? I like that. It's challenging. Something that I enjoy in a game. Challenge. Hang up. Train. Train. Come back here. Choo-choo Charles the train. Come back here. My boy. Come back here. No. Before it's too late. Hurry up. Okay, I officially hate this game now. What the frick? Oh my god, those are sketches. That's insane. Bro, the amount of little details they put in this level is insane. Okay, go. Get on here. It's extremely precise. Another round? Dude. This level's too big. I was complaining about being or the desert being big. It's just like 3 times bigger. Oh my god, it's a shop. Bro. Okay, I should have expected it. I actually should have expected it. Like this one time. I should have expected it. And I didn't. Cool. Oh, I see a key over there. Okay. Well, we're done. Now we just gotta go fight the boss. Because I bet you all we gotta do is fight the boss and then we're done with the entire game. Where is it? Oh. It's Mr. Bobby Joe here. Okay. Here. I freed you. Claptrap. Worst name ever. Well, I guess we're gonna fight the boss now. He is even narrow. So let's get to it. Oh my god. Ha cha cha. Oh, who are you? Hairless rat. Oh, you actually look kind of cute, my man. Frick you. I'm gonna go fight boss. God, frick you. God, frick you. No. Every place but here. No. Stop. I really don't want to deal with you. Not today. You guys are more scary than anything. Please, I don't want to deal with you today. No, stop. I said stop. No, get out of here. These guys are going to kill me. Like, I've never met an enemy in a video game more annoying than these stupid rats. Okay. Just go. Just run. Get a heart. Okay. You know, man up. We gotta fight these rats. Just kidding. We don't. Hey, let's go. Bro, now I see why they want to be here. I don't know what freaking cheese there. Chested cheetah. Time for slicing. Alright. Well, what the frick is this? God. Okay, they're actually giving me good ads. Instead of some Roblox stupid 90-second ads. They're giving me like 5-second ads. You know what? It's good. Well, we did a little bit knocked back, but that's okay. It's a-okay. Where? Oh my god, I gotta go all the way up there? Oh, that's stupid. This rat is following me. Stop it. Get some help, bro. This game is scary. Run as fast as you can. They're gonna catch me. I'm not the gingerbread man. Nope, not anymore. What the freak? Whoa. Where am I going? Well, I'm just gonna say this. If you expect me... What? Test subject number. I've been expecting you, little bear. I've been watching you ever since you stepped into this house. No, you haven't. You're not a stalker. You look surprised. Your science friend forgot to tell you about me. After everything he did to me? What? Oh. This guy's kind of creepy. Okay, how do you kill this man? This is actually kind of hard. Oh. You're supposed to attack him when that happens. Okay. I understand now, but like... Okay. This boss is kind of hard, that's the case. Get attacked. Yep, boy. Uh-huh. I see. I knew it. God, bro. This guy is gonna kill me. Alright. Mr. Rat. Holy shit. Yo, buddy. I don't like this boss. Can't look at me. Smack your head. Yep. Uh-huh. Yes, we're actually beating this guy. Let's go. For the life of me, get past that time. Okay. Whoa! It's actually kind of fast now. Okay. Well, buddy, yours not killing me. Not today. Bro, has any of the bosses ever killed me yet? No, I don't think so. God, bro, this is so tough. Stop it! God, bro. Alright, this boss is actually kind of scary now. When you only have 1 HP on a boss, it gets scary. It doesn't help that this guy's not doing his head attack either. Like, look at this. All for, like, what? Okay, die. No, stop. Really gonna make this last longer than it needs to be? Also, guys, this guy looks like a maniac. Alright, die. Die for the love of God. What the okay, now, let's hit it. Go. Let's go! Yes. Oh, thank God. Thank you so much for dealing with him. He was dangerous and unpredictable. Unlike me, right? I have to admit something. Before the purple honey incident, someone broke into my house when I stole... Ooh, a bear? I should go to the hive. Okay. Are we just, like, not gonna save this guy? Okay, we can. Thanks. Appreciate it. Yo, buddy, can I, like... Alright, well, that looks cursed. Okay, well, before I can do anything else with you, let's just return back to the village. Let's go. And with that, the hive. Okay, so this seems like a kind of fun level. Alright, well, we got some coins. Let's see what's new in the shop. Because you know dang well there's going to be something new. Oh, wow. Remember when I said I was recording on the same day? Well, we got the same stuff, too. Let's go in the hive real quick. Let's check out that. No. Stop. I'm gonna kill you. You talk to me. Okay. Hi, Bob. Well, where the frick is this hive place, anyway? Like... Whoa. Real quick. Hive entrance. No trespassing. What happened to the music? Oh my God. Last warning, do not enter the hive. Only one bear. Alright. I could already tell it's gonna be like the last level of the game. Let's just go through a quick dive, you know? Holy crap. Well, I can already tell to not touch the poison. Holy crap. God, okay, this is actually kind of annoying. Hello, stop it. Please, I'm begging you. Not these gosh darn bees. Like, for the love of all holy water, I do not. You know what? The one time I'm just going to return to the village because I honestly don't want to deal with that right now. Well up. Can happy music play again? Well, you know what they say. Open the loot box. Well, that's all they actually say. But like, let's just do it, okay? Bee eaters? No. Sure. Now, why would I use this? Well, we just wasted coins. What's your mission today? Same one. Okay. Hey, remember I told you I was recording on the same day, right? As the third part. So things are gonna look very similar. And to that I say I'm not sorry. But yeah. Now let's go to the other video, okay? Let's just get I just want to get my licks in. Oh yeah! Let's go! In we go! How about just a little bit of racing? I'm not doing that. What desert? I never did desert. Alright, you know what? I just want to get my licks in. Let's just drive. Go! Oh my god, I hate this. Stop. No. Please. I don't like this. No. Okay, can you stop? Oh my freaking. Anyway, that's gonna be for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, subscribe if you enjoy my content, and the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Did I just copy? Oh, hold up. But anyway, it's gonna be for today's video. Let's get the happy music again. Well, anyway, it's gonna be for today's video. Okay, this is better, I guess. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, subscribe if you enjoy my swaggy content, and hit the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. We're gonna check this out in the next episode. The end of this game, bro. Oh my god, I cannot wait. But anyway, yeah, hit the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Of course, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Also, how did this go from being the shortest video to the longest video with the actual